knocking it down to smooth. Then we
Let's get it close.
got to drop down to a like a 180, then a 300.
So we should have this whole car done with 3 of us in 2 hours.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Love it.
And then we'll blow it off and get some glaze out and fill our low spots, and then do it again. All right, so guys, we've got the final product here. We've got 4 different layers of sand and fill, super thin, just to get this car straight. It is a 70s car, so we had to do a lot of work. It's been in a few fender benders, so we've got that done. We've done a final sand, and we are ready for paint. We're going to start with our primer, and that's what we're going to get to next. So we're going to clean the shop out and get ready for the paint.